This is the swimming shorts with the special pocket. We can keep some keys here. This is waterproof bag. This is towel. This is the waterproof goggles. You can adjust here. This is waterproof watch. We can do exercise, swimming by setting the timers. This is nose clip. So water won't enter inside the nose. This is ear clips, ear plugs. No water will go inside our ears. This is a box to keep the goggles. This is silicon rubber head cap. Waterproof. This is the bag to keep all our swimming kit. This is a special bag. We can keep the slippers in the side. From the side.